keittiökipinä kankare. Yeah. Maariankatu 2.
Stick B. Today it is the 17th of August 2020 and it's Maariankatu 2. Stick B in Turku, Finland. Look at those beautiful pictures, I'll show them later.
Yeah.
It was also built in 1962, H9990. You can press. Turning 60 years older in 2022. But we all thought this was 1961.
Yeah.
It's finished in early 1962 probably.
Yeah.
Capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. It's going to be inspected next year, 2021 also. Still have 3 elevators left in this building.
Yeah.
So it is A, D and E. D and E are on the other side, on uneven.
Yeah.
You can press. Too bad the basement door is locked off.
Yeah.
Because I think through the basement door we would have gotten inside into all others, but it's locked off. So we have to get to them separately.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can write it another time.
Yeah. Kiva inspect maintained variations there. It's available. This building has 5 similar elevators, but and they are amazing. Early 60s with wooden cabinet doors, and they are in NPN 6 fixtures. It's the official name, but also called rectangular fixtures or Kone rectangular. That's